Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unbox and Review with Mithun Upendra. So today I have a special package which I ordered from IMA, which is imastudent.com. Okay, here you can get really good deals compared to Amazon, Flipkart, any online site that you can find, even the offline stores. Okay, and they are based out of Hyderabad, which I know of, and I ordered an GoPro battery with a charger for my Hero 8. So let's unbox and see how the packaging and also how good is the product. Okay guys, let's unbox it. The packaging is really premium. So they have used their signature color red and black tape. So one more thing I needed to mention is that the Hero 8 battery and the charger, it cost 4500, but in the IMA it was just 4000 rupees. And on top of that, if you do an NEFT or IMPS, which is bank to bank transfer, in that case you get 2% off. So in that way I even got 200 rupees extra discount. So the total cost was 3800. So I was able to save around 700 rupees. So this is how the packaging is done, really crisp and nice. So here is your invoice. So here you can see it's 3800 rupees. Okay, so this is the genuine GoPro accessory and it is from June 2022. Okay, you may say it's an year old, but mind you, GoPro Hero 8 is really old. I think it came in 2017 or 18. After that they updated the battery model from Hero 9, I think. So this is kind of a rare occurrence. You have to search. Sometimes it is out of stock as well, but you can find it in ima.com. Okay, the MRP is also here. It's 5000 rupees. So this is how the product looks like, crisp. There is not even a single dent on the product. Even the seal is intact. The factory seal is intact. So you can trust them. I've seen many of the moto vloggers like Shriman Kotaru has used their service. Even I thought of buying from them since longer time, but it was not possible. Now I had a requirement and I was able to get this. So this battery is compatible with all of those versions, and Hero 8 was the last one, which is my one, 2018. So let's cut open the seal. Packaging of GoPro is also like an iPhone, very premium. So there is a user manual and nothing else in the box, and here are the main things. Wow. So this is the charger. It can charge two batteries simultaneously. Nice. It is a soft touch plastic at the top, and at the bottom it's kind of a metal finish, but it's fiber. You get a charging cable, USB-A to Type-C, and here is the genuine battery. So battery looks so tiny. I've removed my GoPro Hero 8 battery many a times, but this one looks much smaller. I know they are of same size, but just the perception. So this is how you insert the battery inside the charger, and these are the indication. If it is green, fully charged. If it is in yellow, it's charging. Okay guys, so let me put the battery that came in the package inside. Do I need to press? I have to. That was scary. Remove. Okay, I think I don't have enough juice in my power bank, but let's try. Yeah, here is the light. So both the batteries are getting charged now. Once it's ready, it will turn to green. Okay, I think that's about it. Nothing else to say. So IMA is really good. You can shop from it blindfolded. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please do subscribe for interesting content like this. Ciao.